In today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you how you can create AI cartoon videos that speaks your native dialect. Yes, you heard me right. I'm going to be sharing with you how to create cartoon videos in multiple languages. Now, I want you to pay attention and watch this one I created with the steps that I'm about to share with you. Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. My name is Divine Kennedy, and on this channel, I share with you how you can start and scale up your online business using AI. Now, before we proceed, I wanted to show you this right here on my screen. Like, take a look at my screen. You can see this channel right here creates cartoon videos in their native dialect, right? This one they focus on Igbo language, right? So in today's video, right, you're going to be learning how you can create cartoon videos with the help of these AI tools. I know most of you don't know about this, right? So you want to subscribe to this channel, turn the bell notification on so you can be seeing updates like this. So right here you can see the estimated monthly earnings is around $1,900 every single month. And if you actually check it out right here, guys, you can see that these people, they joined since 2021. And you can see this is something that has longevity, right? They've been creating since 2021 up to 2026. They are fully monetized, and of course their channel is still earning. Now, not only that, you can see this channel also still creates cartoon videos, right, in their native dialect. And this one, I think they concentrate on Hausa language, right? You can see the estimated monthly earnings is $2,000 per month. So you can literally learn this skill, and of course you can start content creation without having to show your face, create a faceless channel, and of course you can start posting cartoon content in your native dialect. Now, without any further ado, guys, let's proceed into the tutorial of this very video. Now, the first step you're going to take is to head over to ChatGPT. Now, on ChatGPT, we're going to tell ChatGPT to write a script for us, because a script is very vital before you go ahead to start creating videos. So now, once you're right here, you can see where should we begin. Now, you're going to tell ChatGPT, write a story with my native dialect, right? In bracket, I'm just going to put mine. And make sure it teaches a lesson, right? Because when creating videos like this in your native dialect, you should teach a lesson, or it should be entertainment, or it should just be funny, right? Whatever you want to do. But in this case, I want mine to actually have lessons, because I have my target audience streamlined. Now, once you type in this prompt, all we have to do right now is to click on enter, and of course ChatGPT is going to write us a script in our native dialect. You can see it's writing a script in my native dialect right here. So now ChatGPT has written your script for you. It should look something like this. And also you can see I edited my prompts and I added dialogue, right? Because you want them to speak. Now, whenever you want your characters to speak in a video, you have to put in dialogue. So without adding dialogue, it might write a narration script where only one voiceover or one voice to speak all throughout. So you need to add this dialogue in the prompt, okay? Now, once that's written the dialogue for you, all you have to do right now is to type in this prompt. Now, you're going to tell ChatGPT, I want you to break down my script into different scenes. And for each scene, make sure to give me 3D Pixar style image prompts in full stop. Now, you can go ahead and say, for each scene, it should be 2 lines. Now, when I mean by 2 lines, you should go up to our script right here. You can see we have OKK, we have Chinedu, right? So if OKK talks and Chinedu responds, it will be 1 scene. So that is what I mean, right? Now I'm going to click on enter, right? It should be 2 lines. Say for each scene, it should be 2 lines, all right? Now, also make sure to add the 3D Pixar style image prompts. That's how you get that cartoonish look, right? Then you click on enter. It's not going to create your image prompt for you. So you just have to be patient while it creates your image prompt for you. Then we are not going to actually turn this into video shortly. So you can say scene 1, we have scene 2, we have our image prompt and all that, right? So all we have to do right now is to click on this plus icon. Now, in this plus icon, you're going to go to Google Flow. Now, it's Google Flow you're actually going to be using to create these videos where the cartoon will talk in our native dialect. So if you're from another tribe, even if you're not in Nigeria, you know another tribe in Ghana, Cameroon, whatever, right? You can follow this step and it's going to give you the same results, all right? Outside the country to United States, wherever you are, right? Spanish, French, you know, whatever. So now also on Google Flow, all we have to do right now is to click on Create with Flow. Now once you click on Create with Flow, click on New Project. Now once you click on New Project, it's going to load and take us to this page. Now once on this page, come to this prompt box. In this prompt box, click here and make sure that it is an image. All right, then what we're going to do next is we're going to go to ChatGPT. Now this is scene 1. We'll copy our image prompt. Now after we copy our first image prompt, we'll go to Google Flow and we paste in this our first image prompt here. So now it's not going to generate the image scene. So we'll just work on generating the image scene for our video. Right here you can see we've gotten our first image scene. Now we're going to head back to ChatGPT. Now so on ChatGPT, we are going to go to scene 2. Now we'll just copy this into image prompt here. Now to copy this into image prompt, we're going to go back to Flow. Now in the prompt box, we're going to click on this plus icon, select this image so that we maintain image consistency along the script. So we're not going to paste this in here and we're going to click on enter to also create the scene 2. Now you're going to take this step for the different scenes. Now right here you can see that we've generated our images finished, right? We generated 4 scenes. I think we have more than 4 scenes. We have up to 11 or 12, but since this is a tutorial, it's best that I just create 4 scenes so that this tutorial will not be long, overwhelming and confusing. I want it to be short and at the same time it passes the information straight. Now after you've actually generated your images, now it's time for us to turn these images to videos. And for us to do that, it's quite very easy. All we have to do is to go back to ChatGPT. Now once you're on ChatGPT, we're going to type in this prompt. Now the prompt reads as follows. I want you to give me video generational prompts for each image prompt. Now, once you've created your images, it is best to turn this image to video. Now, we said they should have a dialogue, which is them communicating amongst each other. And it proceeds to say, make sure you do it in a way that Google Flow understands who is to speak and when the other person is to respond. Because most times when you create videos with AI, you will see that only one character will just say the whole lines of what the character and the other character is meant to say. If you generate videos very well, I think you should have, or you've encountered that problem before. Now you can say, make sure to start from the first line and the first response, and we keep going. Now input this prompt to ChatGPT, and of course it's now going to give us the video prompts. You can see that this is the video prompt 1. Right, so all we have to do is to go to Google Flow. Now so on Google Flow right here, we need to turn these images to videos. Right now, for the first thing, you can see just the morning breeze, no dialogue, which is this guy right here sitting down, just the morning breeze. And now for you to turn this image to video, you come to the image, click on this 3 icon above and click on animate, then paste in your video prompt, click on enter, and of course just wait so that it can create the video for you before you go back, of course. Then after this one right here, you come. It says the father approaches and the dialogue begins. You can see right here where the father starts talking. Okay, Chinedu, gimme mere, right? So you can just copy this. So we'll get to it, don't worry. Let's go to Google Flow. Let's just wait for the first video to generate before we can proceed. So being able to generate our first scene, I want to check our first scene out. You can see this is it here. Let me play. So now we've generated our first scene. All we have to do right now is to generate the second scene, which I believe to be this image. We're going to click on the 3 icon, click on animate. Then we'll go back to ChatGPT now. So on ChatGPT, you can see this is the scene 2. The father approaches, so that your scene is even going to match with your images that you're not even going to find it confusing to create, right? So you copy this your prompt right here. So this one that said, Okeke is the father, he said, Chinedu, Guinea mere, right? So you can now copy this. I think Okeke responded too. Yeah. So copy this and we'll go to Google Flow, paste it in here. Okay, so paste it in here. We're going to click on enter, so it's going to create the video for us. So now I want you to listen to this, right? I've created the scene. Let's listen to this now, the second scene.
Chinedu, Guinea mere. Idi kwenye na-ebu ibu ụwa n'isi. Nnam, ike gwuru m, ihe niile anaghị aga nkọrọ. Chinedu.
So this is the second scene, right? This is AI. I mean AI. Look at
Chinedu,
it.
gịnị mere? Ịdịkwa
So
onye na-ebu ibu uwe n'isi.
So initially created 2 videos for us. All we have to do right now is to choose one that we want and we leave the other one. So let's delete this other one. So we're just going to take the same step in generating all the scenes, right? So let's do that. Now, so done generating all the video scenes, all you have to do right now is to compile them together. And for you to compile them together, you have to click on the first clip. Now, this is the first clip we downloaded. We click on this, we click on add to scene. Now we click on this, we click on add to scene. Now we do it from beginning to the end, right? So also click on the third one, click on add to scene. Click on the fourth one, click on add to scene. Now once we are done, we now click on switch to scene builder. Now it's now going to compile all the clips in one long video, just exactly what it's doing right now. So now you can see all these clips is in one video and you can see consistent characters all throughout. Now once you're done, click on this download icon right here, then you export. Now once you export this video finish, you're now going to download it, and it doesn't end there. We'll go to your favorite editing tool. It can be CapCut, it can be whatever, to just compile and put everything together. So we're going to be going to CapCut to put everything together shortly.
Chinedu, gịnị mere? Ịdịkwa onye na-ebu ibu ụwa n'isi.
Nna m, ike gwụrụ m, ihe niile anaghị aga nke ọrụ.
Gịnị bụ nsogbu gị n'eziokwu? Klọrọ m. Ana m arụsi ọrụ ike, ma ihe anaghị aga.
Nna m, gịnị ka ị chọrọ igosi m?
Ị ga-ahụ ya ugbu a.
So guys, we've come to the end of this video, and if you have any questions, leave it down in the comment section as I look forward to replying all your amazing questions. I'll see you in the next video. Cheers.